Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction, no? So ngayong araw nga, we are back on a reaction series. Nandito pa rin tayo nagre-react sa album ni Philip, and today, magre-react tayo sa kanta niyang Lust. This time we have a feature, right? Yeah, we have a feature. It's Syra Gwent. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce your name correctly, but yeah, I mean, a lot of you actually requested or says that this is one of your favorite song on the album. So I'm actually really excited to hear this. No, so far, dun sa mga napainggan nating kanta, which is again that's Rat and Foes. No, I mean, hindi tayo na disappoint or not disappointed about those songs. Like hype and everything, no? And I don't know about what they're saying about Philip na hindi siya like lyrical and shit. I mean, maybe like hindi ganun kalalim, no? Pero man, he still have like those double entendres and metaphors na punches na blow your mind. It will blow your mind, no? So I don't know about that, man. Tangina, hindi ko nagigets kung ba't nila nasabi yun, no? So I mean, ayoko masyado mag-dick ride in here, no? Pero sinasabi ko lang is hindi ko nagigets kung paano nila nasabi na parang ayun na nga, parang kasi marami sila nagsabi na parang mayroong cipher na nangyari. And marami nag-bash kay Philip doon kasi sabi nila Philip is not that lyrical, no? Pero I don't know, no? And also, I mean, I'm sorry for those viewers na fan ni Philip that is not speaking or that who don't know how to speak Tagalog or Visaya. I mean, I just notice it. I mean, I'm aware that there is a lot of fans of SB19 that is not actually Filipino, you know, that is not Pinoy, because SB19 is international now, right? But I just recently noticed that when, you know, again, a few of you guys who commented that you don't know how to speak Tagalog and Visaya, but you still appreciate the reaction. So I will try to speak in English more. I hope I'm speaking in correct grammar. If not, I do want to apologize for that. But I'm going to try to speak in English more, maybe Taglish, you know, for you guys to at least understand like maybe 80% of what I'm yapping in here. Maybe, but yeah. Again, this is Lust by Philip feat Syra Gwent. Again, this is still 7 cents. Without no further ado, man, let's get it.
I've been on the road, I got no time.
Hey.
Looking at your phone and shit. Tryna be mine, but I don't got a love for you.
Hey, we are getting a different vibe in here, and I like it. This goes to show like the range of musicality and flexibility of Ken sa pagiging musician niya, no? Like we have a different vibe from the first two na napainggan natin, pero this one we have like a smooth like R&B, like R&B trap chill vibe type shit, no? And I like it. Maybe may kinalaman siya sa title na Lust, no? Because I'm getting that vibe sa kanta. But ulitin natin 'yon.
I've been on the road, I got no time.
Okay.
Looking at your phone and shit. Tryna be mine, but I don't got a lot for you. Admit that you've been on my mind. Might be for the wrong reasons. I've been waiting, send me your location, please.
Damn, that's smooth, no? Hindi ko masyadong nare-realize yun agad. But, let's rewind that
You've
back.
been on my mind. Might be for the
I'll admit that you've been on my mind. Might be for the wrong reason. D- do you know the reason why? Huh? Do you want me to know do you want me to tell you the reason why? Huh? Huh? I mean, I don't think it's appropriate here in YouTube. You're getting sexy. Hey.
in mind, but I don't got a lot for you. Admit that you've been on my mind. Might be for the wrong
Wrong
reasons.
reasons. Hey.
I've been
Hey.
waiting, send me your location, please. No worries, no need to be afraid. Should've answered, should've been satisfied. Come over.
Ano daw?
I've been waiting, send me your location, please. No worries, no need to be afraid. Should've answered, should've
Short or long sesh? Short or long sesh? I mean, short for session. I'll leave you satisfied. Kahit na gusto mo ng, like, what we called here, kahit gusto mo ng, like romansang matagalan or like just a quickie, I'll leave you satisfied. God damn.
satisfied. Come over, babe.
Hey.
Drop a pin numbers in my ATA. Getting dressed, ain't got no time to waste. I'm on my way,
Hey.
I'm on my way.
Wanna have a good time with a bad guy. What I hate about you's what I like. Could've get less as long as we vibe. Could've been nice, but you giving mixed signs, baby. For me, gotta give me time. For me, be here by 9.
Now you got these
Hey.
thoughts, and baby, how you feel? Feel the crazy tension, baby, I'm for real. You know what, I saw you lying in my bed. I'm still wanting more, so baby, tell me what's the deal. If you want me, come over, babe.
Nice, no? I mean, the first two song na pinainggan natin, I mean, nakadepende siya eh. Nakadepende siya sa, if for example, feel mo yung ganong klase ng genre ng kanta, no? I mean, most probably, not everyone is gonna like or love the first two song. You know, again, it depends, like preference, no? May mga tao na prefer nila yung ganitong klase ng music, ganitong klase ng music, may iba na ayaw yung ganito. I mean, understandable, yeah. We don't have to like hate them for that. I mean, pwede tayong magalit pag ayaw nila yung ganong music, tapos parang mamaliitin nila yung singer na kumanta ng ganong music, no? Especially kung they don't have like any idea or like di pa nila napakinggan yung ibang music ng artist na yon. Pero this one, I mean, pwede mo itong patugtugin kahit kailan, kahit anong okasyon, kahit sino yung bisita mo. You know, ito yung kanta na magugustuhan ng lahat pag napainggan nila or even it's the first time that they hear the song. Ito yung klase ng kanta na magugustuhan nila, no? This is a fucking banger, man. Hey.
mind, but don't gotta laugh at ya. I admit that you've been on my mind. Come over, babe. Broken levels in my ATA. Just ain't got no time to waste.
Wait, hey, I'm wait.
Come over, babe. Broken levels in my ATA. Just ain't got no time to
The ad-lib. Okay, do you hear the ad-lib? Like, Philip is on the other side and what is her name again? Like Syra, yeah. Syra is on the other side, like doing the ad-lib, like the what you call this? Like vocalizing on the background. Damn, like I'm getting goosebumps because of that. Like, hey. Nice, man. You know what? I'm actually happy right now, no? Na ganito klase ng vibe, no? Kasi again, as I'm saying earlier, dito ako mas nakikita yung range ng pagiging musician and pagiging, you know, yung musicality and ang talent ni Philip. Kasi parang this is the first time na narinig ko siya ng ganito na kumanta talaga, no? Like an R&B style kasi sobrang iba niya. Sobrang iba yung vibe niya dun sa unang kanta na pakinggan natin, sa unang dalawang kanta, no? In here, may kita mo talaga yung boses niya. Andun pa rin yung deep voice na nagustuhan ko kay Philip. Pero this time, meron pa siyang in-introduce sa akin ng panibagong flavor, no? Na kaya niyang gawin, no? Damn.
Come over, babe. Broken levels in my ATA. Just ain't got no time to waste.
Hey. Basta yun? Oh, man. Alright, well again, that's Philip Lust. Kasama niyo dun, syempre si Syra Gwent. And again, Lust, one of the song on Philip's album 7 Sins, man. And isa lang masasabi ko, that is a fucking banger, no? Kung yung dalawang song na napakinggan natin is sobrang ma-hype ka talaga, this one, iba yung vibe na binigay sa akin, no? There, may part ng kanta na nakikinig ako na nakalimutan ko na nagre-react ako eh. I'm sorry guys. May part ng kanta na parang hindi ata ako nakapagsalita. Kasi gusto ko lang pakinggan yung kanta. Like, come over, babe. Like, what the fuck? The hook is godly, no? Nakaka-LSS. I mean, let's see. 120k views. I mean, hindi deserve ito ng 120k views lang. I mean, siguro dahil this is like a official visualizer, no? Pero most probably po naglabas si Philip ng music video nito, or for example, mas, let's say, minarket pa nila or advertise nila. I mean, surely this is going to be a banger, man. What? 120k? Yung makapaniwala. Yeah, I mean, if I'm going to rate this, you know, to tell you honestly, I'm going to rate this higher. Akala ko yung phone na yung magiging pinakamataas. Siguro, I mean, magkaiba kasi sila ng genre, no? So parang hindi natin sila pwedeng ilagay sa same category kung sasabihin natin na, kasi parang yung first two song, Rat and Lust, is like, I can say almost in the same genre. I mean, siguro yung Foes is may pagka-rock siya, no? Kaya siguro mas nag-lean ako dun sa Foes kaysa sa Rat. Pero kung mamimili ako personally dito sa album na to, I mean, so far, this is my favorite, man. This is going to be my favorite. God damn. Yeah, I mean, every pakinig, no, kay Philip, he never disappoints me, no. Pataas ang pataas, no. So let's see soon na kanta, no. But yeah, that's our reaction for today. Sana gustuhan nyo, no? Leave a like and subscribe. If you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, or song, just comment down below. We are going to react to it. And by the way, marami rin pala nagre-request sa inyo na mag-react tayo sa ibang mga kanta ni Philip, no? Like yung mga nauna niyang kanta. I mean, bulan lang ata yung aware ako sa mga una niyang kanta. But we're going to react to it, okay? Tatapusin lang muna natin yung album niya before we check his other songs. Good? Good. But yeah, that's it for me today, no? See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.